A military investigation committee is looking into the root cause of a recent accident that took 5 lives. Back on Tuesday, the Marine Corps' helicopter crashed during test flight. Initial reports suggest faulty rotor blades, but the probe team is widening the scope, leaving no stones unturned. Park Ji-won gets us up to speed with the developments.
The ROK Marine Corps announced Friday morning that an investigation committee was formed immediately after Tuesday's accident, and it is likely to include private aircraft experts, as recommended by the families of the victims. The investigation committee has been gathering witness testimonies and footage of the crash and is attempting to retrieve the helicopter's black box. A Marine official told Arirang News Friday afternoon that the crashed helicopter had been regularly checked for safety every 50 hours it flew, and it had logged just over 150 hours of flight history. The official said the level of vibrations during the helicopter's flight got worse from the end of June, so it went through additional repairs and maintenance for about 2 weeks in early July. Tuesday afternoon's fatal test flight came as experienced Marine helicopter pilots as well as other Marines were attempting to see if the vibration issue has been resolved. The helicopter hovered for about 5 minutes at the height of 3.3 meters before taking off, but it crashed only a few seconds after it took off as its rotor blades fell off. The Marine official also said the investigation committee is considering including foreign aircraft experts who have investigated a similar helicopter crash in Norway in 2016, where a helicopter rotor blades detached, killing 13 people. South Korea's defense chief has also expressed his deepest condolences over the incident and vowed it would be investigated thoroughly. In a statement on Thursday evening, Minister Song Young-moo also wished the Marine who was badly injured in the crash a full and speedy recovery. Vice Defense Minister Seo Ju-seok also met with the bereaved family members Friday afternoon to closely listen to their opinions. The amphibious MUH-1 chopper was exclusively developed for the Marines by Korea Aerospace Industries, which delivered 4 of them earlier this year. Park Ji-won, Arirang News.